defense fails to block postponement of Phahlane's R84m fraud case. The R84 million fraud case involving high-ranking cops, including former National Police Commissioner Khomotso Phahlane, took a twist as the defense failed to block the postponement. The R84 million fraud case involving high-ranking cops, including former National Police Commissioner Khomotso Phahlane, took a twist as the defense failed to block the postponement and striking the matter off the roll. The matter has been remanded to December for further investigations. Phahlane, former Gauteng Commissioner Deliwe Lange and 4 other senior cops at both provincial and national level, appeared in the Joburg Specialised Commercial Crimes Court on Friday, where they claimed that further delays to this case would be prejudicial to the accused and violate their constitutional rights. They are charged with fraud and forgery. The other accused are Lieutenant General R84m, the National Divisional Commissioner in charge of Supply Chain Management, Brigadier James R84m, who is stationed in Makwena's office, Brigadier R84m, Gauteng Deputy Police Commissioner, and R84m Pillay, Head of Supply Chain at a national level. The case relates to a tender which was to procure and install, among other things, blue lights, sirens and radio equipment in SAPS vehicles. This comes as Phahlane's attorney Pierre du Plessis contended in a submission to National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) Hejmila Batohi that charges against his client should be dropped as the arrest was unlawful. Du Plessis said in the submission to Batohi that the affidavit which was used to gain the warrant of arrest, which was authored by Warrant Officer Temain Binang from Independent Police Investigative Directive IP, did not implicate Phahlane at all. Accused number 1 is Vimpi Manthata, who owns Instrumentation Traffic Law Enforcement, the company which is alleged to have illegally benefited to the tune of R84m. Manthata was not in court on Friday, with his attorney telling the court that his client was booked off sick by the doctor. The state claims that Instrumentation, which is listed as the 8th accused, received the tender in 2016, and owner Manthata allegedly supplied fraudulent tax clearance certificates prior to winning the bid. Advocate Richard Chabalala, the prosecutor, applied for an up to 6-month postponement in the matter as Warrant Officer Binang was still finalizing investigations for the case. Reading out Binang's affidavit in court, Chabalala said the investigating had to check the 550 vehicles which were fitted with the new equipment in Gauteng, as there were strong suspicions that one car was invoiced more than once. Binang, in his affidavit, read out in court, added, "It is in the public interest that these investigations are done thoroughly." Although there were fierce objections to the state's postponement application, as well as pleas for the matter to be removed from the roll by the defense attorneys, Magistrate Brian Namifhide found that the delays asked for would not be prejudicial to the accused, saying this was a complex case which required thorough investigation. Magistrate Namifhide said 3 factors to consider when refusing a postponement would be the nature of prejudice suffered, the nature of the case and systemic delays. Magistrate Namifhide said investigators had to analyze the evidence, line it up and trace witnesses, in order to present a complex case to court. Therefore, the application of the state is not malicious, the magistrate said. Meanwhile, Phahlane's attorney Du Plessis told the Star after proceedings adjourned that he was still considering whether or not to appeal the magistrate's ruling. Du Plessis said he had also received a response from the NPA, which, the lawyer added, said was considering his submissions to withdraw Phahlane from this case.